Here I have UMIDIGI F1, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you just have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button, record screen. By tapping on it, recording starts. Let's record some of our screen. If you want to stop recording, just tap on the button stop here. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on this record screen button. For example, you can select if you want to mute or if you want to record your microphone sound. You can change video quality here, and you can also set recording time. You can find your recording in photos. Here it is. By tapping on it, recording start. Let's record some of our screen. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.